going on, guys? Welcome back. The 5th of July here, Saturday morning. Taking a look. Aerodrome Finance, the United States dollar pair. Coinbase is the price data, and this is a daily chart. So we continue to have a controlled, so far, pullback here for Aerodrome. These markets are finding resistance at the 200-day moving average perfectly. I mean, this couldn't be any more perfect here. Look at this 200-day moving average here trending to the downside, and the market is just bumping its head on the 200-day, not being able to get and hold above it. Now, if and when the market does break above the 200-day, so if we have a big day here, call it in Bitcoin, maybe heading into the end of the weekend or early next week, if and when this thing does break, it could happen with a ton of energy here to the upside. That's what I'm hoping for. So we'll see. If the markets get crushed, I don't see that happening. If the markets are bullish and this thing can start to break above it, could happen so with a lot of momentum to the upside. That's what I'm looking for. That's what I'm hoping for. We'll see what happens. We do have targets all the way up there at 109. So 109 from where we're currently trading at is, call it like 44, 45% to the upside. So that's awesome. I hope it happens for all of the Aerodrome Finance holders. As far as daily lower highs and higher lows, today we have an inside day. What is an inside day in the market? Inside day is the market doesn't print a new low from the previous day and doesn't print a new high from the previous day. It's inside the previous day's range. Therefore, it's a market inside day. It's very quiet. We'll see what happens throughout the day. It could change. Yesterday, we had a market daily lower high. We bumped our head on the 200-day. We also have a lower low. We also took out lows from the previous couple days, maybe about 4 or 5 days, we made new lows. Today's quiet. So we'll see. This thing is kind of in like a little bit of a pennant pattern. Let me show you that. So we have let's try to get the tool right, the correct tool here. Something like that. So we're heading into the apex here, which would be like the point, the end of this pattern. And, by the book, it says when you get to that apex, it should start to move. And again, the trend is higher, so I would be going with the continuation move would be to the upside. We'll see what happens. I don't have a crystal ball, but I can read the price and try to decipher what's going to happen here one day at a time. The 50-day is trending higher. Obviously, the 200-day is trending lower. The chart, though, is in an uptrend. We have higher lows and higher highs with a couple mixed bag of tricks in here. This is a lower low. Then we have a higher high into a pennant pattern here. We're consolidating, looking and hoping for continuation to the upside. Doesn't mean we'll get it, but that's what I'm looking for. We drop over to, actually, before we go to Bitcoin, let's look here. Market might take us down to support at 69.74. If the markets get crushed, there's a good chance we'll find ourselves down here at 62. We do have the 50-day there as potential line in the sand right around 67 as well. So 69, 67, 62 are all the supports I have below the market. Now, there is other ones below that. And if need be, I will throw them up there. But right now, I don't see a reason for that. And of course, above the market, 82, first target. A couple there in between, and then all the way up to 109. Let's look at very quiet start here to this Saturday. Bitcoin did break above this line here. We have connecting some highs. Getting a pullback. Looks like we're trying to turn that into support. Let me show you that here. Hey guys, if you're new to the channel, appreciate it. Drop a comment, introduce yourself. Let me know if you have any other cryptocurrencies, stocks you want me to take a look at. Spread the word. Appreciate it. So you could see we broke out here. Broke out. Wicked down below that line. Trying to turn it into support. Hey, that would be great. Coupled with above the 50-day. Maybe we'll find support here. And we will start another higher high. We have for Bitcoin here, took out the lows, whipsaw, undercut, higher low, higher high, little uptrend here taking place for Bitcoin. We have targets for Bitcoin. I believe my next target is 116. Let's see. 116,834 and then 130,000. Guys, that's what I got. Appreciate it. Any questions, drop them down below and we'll be back. Have a great 4th of July weekend. Hopefully you had a great 4th yesterday on Friday, and we'll see you in the comments. Take care.